Hey guys, it's Alex Ryan here, and this is a video. I'm at the Canton Fair registration office, which is in the Ramada Hotel, and when you get here, you expect to see thousands and thousands of people. In fact, it's like 4 people, and this is why you need to go to a hotel, and this is where we take you guys. And what you need to do is the following, right? So you've got to fill out one of these forms right here. There's an overseas buyer registration form. Okay. You do need a passport. Okay. Gotta have your passport there as well. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, Sarah. And you need passport photos. Okay. Gotta have all that stuff together. And you need a business card as well. All right. So you actually do need a business card as well. So bring your business cards along, and they staple it all together, and they issue you a buying badge, right, which you need for the Canton Fair. Do not get it. If you're with us, we show you how to go about doing this, but it's important that you do it at the hotel, not at the actual Canton Fair, not at the big hall, because it is tough, right, doing that sort of stuff. So yeah, so I just want to let you guys know that. Yeah, don't forget, we actually help you with this process, but you still need to do this sort of stuff here. Okay. Hey guys, Alex here, and warmly welcome you to the 126 Canton Fair. Got my buyer's badge here as well. You need one of these to get into the actual. Fair, and very exciting. I'm actually here with about 6 different students. This is what you need as well. You need one of these. Ni hao. You need one of these overseas buyers registration sections. You need to come to a hotel where actually does one of those, because it saves you a whole bunch of time. And time is your enemy in the Canton Fair. There's literally so much to see. There's literally 64 football fields of exhibitors. There's no way you will see everything, and you have to be very diligent with your time, and you have to make sure that when you are actually talking to an exhibitor, you got to find out very fast whether or not they are worth your time, and whether they have a product that you want to buy, and then discount it immediately and keep walking. Or if you're interested in as a product that you might be interested in, you need to keep chatting with them, get their details, exchange details, find out the particulars like the MOQ, all that sort of stuff, and basically move on. All right, talk to you all soon. Hey guys, Alex Ryan here at the Sofitel down in Guangzhou, which is a place where we go to sometimes book and do the pre-application of a buyer's badge. I'm very excited. It's that beautiful little water feature. It's like the Bellagio here. Very, very excited. If you're interested in joining us at the Canton Fair, this is pretty much, look at that. It's like a little show you're watching here. Isn't that amazing? It's the Bellagio of Guangzhou. But I absolutely love Guangzhou. Absolutely love it. And sometimes we end up going to places like this. We sometimes stay in places like this. If you are wanting to join us at the Canton Fair, it's sometimes good to join us at these Canton Fair, because we take care of all this stuff for you. The shuttles to and from, and also is this our car? Awesome. And also registration for the buyer's badge and all that sort of stuff. Ni hao. All right. See you guys later. Hey, how you doing? We have had an incredible day today. We have registered for the buyer's badge for a few people. We've done the preparation for tomorrow, arranging the transport to and from the Canton Fair and our hotels. And we're just about to rest up. Hey, Sarah.
Hey.
And we're about to rest up, getting prepped for tomorrow, which is going to be an incredible day. If you're looking for product ideas at the Canton Fair and you're new to Amazon selling and you kind of want to know what the next steps are and how to do the research and how to find great quality products, then you need to be at this fair, seriously. All right, talk to you real soon. Bye-bye. At the beautiful Canton Fair, and we're nearly about finishing the day. I'm here with a few students at the moment,
Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this massive structure. How big is this? Look at this huge structure. Massive. Filled with exhibitors. And if you're a current Amazon seller and you're looking for somebody to guide you through the Canton Fair, someone to arrange transport just like this to and fro the fair, if you look for someone to organize your flights, your accommodation, your invitation letter to help you with your visas, your buys, badges, the thing around my neck right here. If you're looking for the help, because a lot of Westerners, they try and do it themselves, but in a country like China where a lot of people don't actually speak English, it is very hard. I know this from experience. Being in China and back and forward for the last 10 years as an importer, I know that it's actually quite difficult to navigate the big red dragon, the country of the big red dragon. So if you're looking to come over here and join us in China and you're looking to find new products, maybe meet new suppliers, maybe get the best price, negotiate the best deals, join us at the fair. I would love to see you face to face. I would love to help you and get you started on Amazon. And apart from that, guys, yeah, let's take some action. Contact our team today. Give us a call in the office. We are doing a promotion as well at the moment. I am paying for your flights. I don't normally do that. I don't normally pay for your flights, but I'm actually paying for your flights to join me. So love to see you there. Have a fantastic day. See you later.